guys, it's Dean again, and welcome back to my vlog. And today we are taking a quick chill on the boat. We're on a like boat, a ferry. That's the name. So we are winning. So here's the cool islands. There is another boat. So there seems to be a boat over there. We're going to meet our cousins today, and after this video I'm going to take some pics, and before that I'm going to show you a bit of your view, and then I'll tour. Let's check it out. Here we have the captain quarters. Here's the main hall, the restricted area, the sitting area, a few halls, vehicle area, vending machine, breakfast eatery, game room, a VIP room, and many more rooms. So, meet someone. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this quick little vlog. I hope you have a nice day. Subscribe and like for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.